Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make ebi churhan. It's meal for one, and today's menu is ebi churhan, which is fried rice with some prawns. When you're cooking just for yourself, you don't want to spend too much time and you don't want to use a lot of kitchen equipment. So today, I'm cooking everything in food container in 10 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ebi churhan. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 1 portion rice pack, 70 grams each of prawns and edamame, or you can use green peas, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 1 egg, some salt and pepper, and garlic paste. As I said, I'm cooking it in food container, so prepare large food container. Crack 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, some salt and pepper, and a little bit of garlic paste. Mix it. One portion rice pack, prawns on each side, and microwave this for 2 minutes at 600 watts, no lid. Give it a good mix. Add edamame and microwave. Again, 2 minutes at 600 watts without lid. Give it a mix. Let's serve in the bowl. And ebi churhan is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's incredibly quick and easy, but surprisingly delicious. I can have this every day. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. It's meal for one, and you don't want to spend too much time cooking just for yourself. So let's keep the whole meal nice and simple. Ebi churhan goes here, and it also covers the main. Instant miso soup here. Let's have some pickles here to add a little more vegetable and forget about the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!